Teacher, yesterday's pirate ship was so exciting. Is there anything more exciting? I still want to play something more exciting. Yes. That's the giant pendulum. I've done this once. I dare not do it again. Sounds like fun. I can't wait. I'll build it for you now. Today, we're going to build a very, very exciting and fun giant pendulum. Let's take a look at what the giant pendulum looks like. It consists of a bracket mechanical structure and a pendulum on its swing arm. The seats are on the pendulum. Now let's build it together. First, let's build its triangular bracket. So, why is its bracket triangular? Not quadrilateral or circular? An oval one? Let's take a look. I built a triangle and a quadrilateral. Now, let's see which one is more stable. Our quadrilateral can move flexibly like this. So, our quadrilateral is flexible. Can our triangle move flexibly? No, it can't. Our triangle has stability. Take out the blocks. Let's build this triangular frame together. 2 blocks pressing the middle seams. Then put them on the side. Press the middle seam. Put it on the side. Small pillars like this. Teacher Chichi built 9 layers. Using the same method. Teacher Chichi built 2 identical small pillars. I'm putting it together. What shape did it become? It's a triangle. Let's get our big base plate. Put the 2 pillars together. But there's still a little crack here in the middle. Find the rectangular blocks. Let's use them to fill and press the cracks. There are also cracks in the middle. Let's press them together again. Let's press together the cracks at the top as well. So, one of the triangles is built. Using the same method, Teacher Chichi built another triangle. Let's put it on the base plate. Now, the support part is built. Next, let's install the pendulum and the mechanical structure. Find 2 blocks above. Put on a 3-hole beam. Build 2 identical ones. Let's put them on both ends. Find 2 9-hole beams and a 3-hole beam. Let's build its swing arm. Assemble it into a U shape. Then find the small plates. Let's lock these cracks. Combine them together. Assemble. That's it. Let's spin it around for everyone to see. Find a green axle. Let's connect the 2 together. Put the green axle through the hole. Then find a pulley. And a gear. Here we'll install a small duck crank. Next, let's install some mechanical structures on our pendulum. A small cob shaft. A red gear. We put it through. A bent gear. We put it here. A green shaft. A pulley. We fix it. Find a small duck crank. We install it. At this point, everyone will find that. When Teacher Chichi turns our small gear, the crankshaft of our little duck below also starts to turn. After it can turn, we install a small chair below, so it can also turn together. A short, smooth beam is installed in the middle first, then install another smooth beam, so that they cross each other. Then find a little duck crank to install. When Teacher Chichi turned our small gear shaft, the bottom spun like a small windmill. Install the small seats. Attach the small dots on the blocks to our smooth beams. Install the seats. It's like this. Now our big gear is installed. Now we need our big gear and our small gear to mesh together. Put it in the 3rd hole. 1, 2, 3. At this time, everyone will find their teeth are fully meshed together. Fix a small pulley. We'll fix it on the other side as well. Find a shaft. A small pulley. Then install another small pulley. A little duck crank. After the little duck crank is installed, we put it through. Here we install a tire to act as its handle. Increase its friction. Now our giant pendulum is built. Let's see if it works. 321. I found 2 small flags. We can use them as a small decoration. I found 2 kids. Let's install them on the little chair. Wow, done. Hey, come and play. I'm ready. Teacher Chichi. Lele, why are you closing your eyes? It's too scary. Who dares to play? The second time was really awesome.